everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put this fender liner trim on this Volkswagen Atlas. My wife had actually broken the clips on a few of them from doing a little bit of a fender bender here. We'll get it fixed today. This is kind of just an overview of everything. This is the back of the trim here. Here in a moment I'll show you where to put all the clips and then the corresponding rubber grommets. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, some of your rubber grommets might be worn from pulling it off in the previous time. And most of the kits you get aftermarket, you can go ahead and just replace with some brand new ones. I found the easiest way just to kind of pull down on the fender liner here and just kind of pull and wiggle it out. See, here it is. And then we just got these brand new ones. They easily just go right into the hole right there. Now you'll want to put in some brand new clips, and these are the ones I just got off of Amazon. Pretty simple here. You just get it into this top little groove and you just slide it in. And there's a total of 8. With all those brand new clips, it should look something like this. Ready to go in. All right. Now we're going to start from this side, get this all aligned. I'm just trying to get it all loosely aligned. There you have it. All right. And you'll want to make sure you get all these screws like right here, here, and down here.